Hi kids, this is I Motivate for Kids. On this channel, we motivate children to do better at school, at home, and everywhere else. And today we're going to be unboxing Ryan's World toy. We have our helper James here to help us unbox the toy. James, what toy are we unboxing today?
We are unboxing the Ryan's World Smashing Surprise Safe.
Yes, kids, Ryan's World Smashing Surprise Safe. So stay tuned as we go and unbox it. Let's go.
Here we have the gray.
What's in it?
We have some, I think this is gold slime.
Oh, wow. Open it up. Let's see what's inside.
We have gold slime right here.
Nice.
Now we have the purple one. So we have a mystery.
Ooh.
Oh.
What's inside?
So we have the Ryan's World Tattoo. Gus the Gummy Gator, one of my favorites.
Oh, wow. That's good. Is there anything else?
There's another one. This is Combo Panda.
Oh, that's awesome.
Now we have the bronze one. We have a Combo Panda ring. I don't know if you guys could see it correctly, but this is Combo Panda. And that's it. There's nothing left. And now we have the gold mystery. We have another ring, and it doesn't have anybody on it, so we're gonna have to check it out. So it goes like this. So it actually lights up. You can't really see anything else. There's nothing else. This is gonna be a little bit slimy, so that's why we put something to not mess it up. And we have the Ryan's Toys Review Golden Slime. This feels very good. It's very, very good. The Ryan's Toys Review Gold Slime. We're gonna pass it on to the other person.
Thank you very much, James, for helping us out. We really, really appreciate it. You have all these rings. This lights up. We have another ring. And we have tattoos. And we also have the slime. And remember what we always say on this channel. It's not impossible because I'm unstoppable. And one thing that we know that Anthony Robbins said, he said, the path to success is to make massive, determined actions. So kids, if you want to be successful, you have to take action. So don't wait and play around. Act on what you want to do in life. Again, if you learned anything today, please share with your friends and family. Like and subscribe to our channel. And see you next time. Bye.